Everything looks good. Okay, I'm going to get a picture of Tom here. Smile, Tom. I'll be waving from you up there, okay? It is August 3rd, year 2000. The time is 6:16, and Kenneth LeVasseur, out at the Ponderosa of Kenneth and Butch, is preparing his dream machine for its maiden voyage. This is the runway that he has prepared. Weather conditions are very good. As you can see by the windsock, we have a very light southwest breeze. Let's go down and take a look at how Kenneth is doing as he's stretching out his parachute and preparing the machine. Looks very cautious in his work. In case you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I am driving the golf cart down the runway. This gives you a bird's eye view of what it feels like and what you see as you're riding across this nice smooth runway that Kenneth will take off in. How's it going, Ken?
Good. Good. I just want to get a couple of these lines so they're not, they don't look like spaghetti.
Okay.
I may have to step in here and check them out.
Sounds good.
Apparently, the first flights, people are really careful. You know what I mean.
Here we are back again with Commander Kenneth.
Here, I'll put this on so I can hear you. Okay. You can talk to me now.
And he's getting his flight jacket on and his helmet.
You hear me, Gracie?
And checking out his radio, trying to talk to Gracie. In just a moment he's going to be warming up the engine. The temperature has to get up to close to 140 degrees before he can attempt takeoff, and that will take a couple of minutes. So he'll be going through a pre-flight check as well as a warm-up of the engine.
I'm also not familiar with this thing. I should have... There we go. Okay.
Kenneth is getting ready to crank up the dream machine.
I sat down before on my seatbelt. So.
Getting all strapped in at this time.
Oops. Okay.
Crank her up.
I got a little too tight here. Okay. Now, got to give it one shot of primer if I can reach it. I'll try it without the primer. Okay, clear prop.
There we are. The dream machine has started. Kenneth is letting it warm up at this time. And here we come. This is his original takeoff attempt. And he's up in the air. Kenneth is up in the air. Looking good, Kenneth, looking good. I don't know why he fixed up that whole runway, because when he got going he wasn't on it. But these machines can go through almost anything, as you observed. And you can see right now where Kenneth is at. He's doing it, Gracie. The reason the camera is moving around is because I'm swatting mosquitoes and deer flies. Kenneth is now making a pass directly over us. And you can just about see the smile on his face from here as he is once again airborne after all of these years. Little boys with expensive toys. Looking good, Kenneth, looking good. At some point he's going to try to come in for a touch and go kind of landing. That will be the next big task. He's cutting power now. Coming down. Coming down, and he's on the ground, and he's on the ground. Look at me, Kenneth.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
We're on the second maiden voyage. The first one, the landing was pretty tough. On this one, Ken did a touch and go already, and it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now he's checking over the north stand, looking where he's slayed all of those deer, including the monster buck. Kenneth and his dream machine. Looks like we're coming back down again. Cutting power. I don't know if he's actually going to land or try another touch and go. He's getting back on the power a little. There he goes. And how's he doing? He's doing real fine. He's not quite sure which way is up yet. There we go. And it was all an optical illusion. What a day. The temperature is about 80 degrees. The wind is 5 miles an hour out of the southwest or less. August 3rd, the year 2000. And this old fart is having a ball. Cutting power again. Now he's starting his power back up. Looks like he's going to land. He's on the ground. It's beautiful.